Namaste. In our previous video, I taught you how to give Reiki to ourselves for the self-healing. Now in this video, we will see how to give Reiki to some another people. If the person is there with you, then you need to ask the person to lay down or to sit down. Reiki can be given by sitting or by laying, but the place should be comfortable. Comfortable means if the weather is cold, you can give some blanket to the person. If the weather is okay, comfortable, then it's important that room should be with the good air, fresh air. It's more better. You can put some incense also in your room, but before put the incense, please ask your client, your student, or the person, the patient, if the smell of the incense is okay for him or her. You can light a candle in the room because the candle helps that this is the Sakshat Devta, means that is the God is there in the form of the light with you. So that candle you can light. With all this arrangement, then you ask the person to lay down, and if the head is towards the east side in the laying position, that is the best. If not, then you can choose any side. So east side or north side head should be. If the person is sitting on the chair, then face should be towards the east or towards the north. With this all preparation, after this all preparation, you can ask the person to close the eyes and focus on the breath. You give Reiki for 30 minutes or for 40 minutes. Sometime it can be 60 minutes. Some Reiki masters suggest that different organ, each and every points of the body, you must give Reiki minimum 3 minutes each. So there is the 24 energy points. In this 24 energy points, each point you give Reiki 3 minutes. But you can give Reiki according to your flexibility. It can be 1 minute of each area or 2 minutes each area or maybe more. Also it depends if the person have some problems, physical problems, you need to give Reiki more time to there. With giving Reiki to someone, actually the masters help. You surrender yourself to the masters, then the Reiki itself will help you. You will see that you no need to worry about the time. You continue with the flow. So once this all preparation happens with the student, with the patient, that you ask the student to lay down or sit down or close the eyes and focus on the breath. And during the whole session, the student, the patient should be focused on the breath. Also, you ask the person during the session, if any thought, if the mind will be stuck with something, not to be worried. Just again and again bring the mind in the breath. Now, all these instructions you give, and then you sitting next to the person. Both hands together and pray to the masters. Masters can be with you and can help you to give Reiki, to help the Reiki to the student or to the patient, to your near and dear, whatever to whom you are giving. And then you will Om chanting 3 times. Om chanting because it helps to get your connectivity with the pure vibrations surrounding you, and it helps your mind to be silenced, to be free from the unwanted thoughts. The Om chanting with focus on your breath and on your whole body. So sitting with your spine straight, then deep inhale. After the Om chanting, then you feel your connectivity with your breath. So few round of Joshin Kokuyuho breath, that breath technique I taught you in my previous video. In this breath, roll your tongue upside, put it the tip of the tongue, upper palate of the mouth, and try to bring it more and more inside to your throat. Then inhale by the mouth and then exhale by the nose. And during this process, take the imagination you are inhaling by your top of the head, crown chakra, and you are pulling the energy to your hara center below the navel region, and then you are exhaling by your palms. With the imagination, the energy spreading everywhere in your body, each and every cell in your body, and then the energy coming out by your palms. Keep it continue, few breath with close your eyes. Your hand position can be in the Namaskar pose, and during the whole process feel the energy is coming in your both palms. Once you will start, that energy is coming in your palms, then spread your hands little bit from each other, and then feel the energy between your palms. During the whole process, try to keep close your eyes and keep you relaxed. Once you start this feeling in your palms, now you are ready to give Reiki to anyone. So now you can start giving Reiki from the head of the person who is laying down or sitting down. So you're putting your both hand to the top of the head of the student, of the person. Maybe for 1 minute, 2 minutes or longer. Time is actually not cannot be fixed. And feel the energy of that area. So like that way, you can stop, you can hold this position for few seconds or few minutes and feel that warmness, magnetic force, magnetic area of that area. So the hands can be touched completely or hand can be little bit up. So wherever you feel the flow of energy, there you can apply it. Then you will move the palms more down of the head, both sides of the temples. So like that way, you will be continue to the throat, to the chest, and like that way, one by one, all the part of the body, like the same you was giving to yourself. Reiki healing. So first you can heal the front part of the person, and then you can ask the person to turn, and then you can heal the back part of the person. So with this process, the Reiki itself will tell you that where is the energy is hot or energy is cold, or you feel very comfortable somewhere once you giving Reiki, but somewhere if you giving Reiki you not feeling comfortable. So these all messages will tell you that Reiki's energy is balanced this area or not balanced. The energy is balance of this area or not balancing. If some part you will feel uneasiness, that means that area the energy is not balanced and very less energy is there. So this energy is pulling your energy very fast and you feel low energy. If this happens during that time, you make you free from that area, sitting silently, do some round of Joshin Koku-Yoho breath, taking the energy from the top of the head and bringing it to the Hara center, then exhale again from the palms. Again charge your body, your hands, and then again give Reiki to the person. This session, during the whole session, you can focus on your breath to make you calm and relax. You can focus on any mantra chanting in your mind. So it will help you to maintain your presence in the present moment. After you complete all Reiki session, then you will do Om chanting again 3 times and thank you to the masters for their presence and for their help. Then Om chanting, and now important is once you finish this whole process, then put your left hand in front of the navel. Then by the right hand you will move this hand between your left and the navel to disconnect you from the masters, means to make your masters free, because you call the masters and they was staying with you. Now you need to make them free, so you can be free also for your another work, and the master's energy can be also free from here. Once you complete the session, then you will ask the student, your client, that you receive Reiki energy, Reiki session, and now you are free to be more relaxed if you want, or you can get up. Then slowly the person to whom you healed, he will be get up. After the session, you can share how the person feeling, comfortable, not comfortable, and you can also share in which area you was feeling good energy, in which area you was feeling neutral, which area you was feeling bad energy, like you was not good that time once you was giving Reiki. Also the person will tell you, can share that this area I was not feeling comfortable, or this area my mind was very hard to deal with the mind. So accordingly you can talk more that this area you need more work, or this area you are balanced. With the process you will continue, and then with the process you will learn more. During and after this all complete the session discussion, this way you will continue with the people and more experience you will getting. If any difficulty if you will get, or you want to discuss any question, any related to the problem of the person, or to make your mind more clear about the sessions, then in these videos we are providing our WhatsApp number also, our email ID also, so you can write and you can call or you can message us. Accordingly, we will guide you that how to continue in the journey of Reiki. Thank you.